basically had 3 minutes before the cops called.
Hey, do what you gotta do, baby. I got something for you.
Yes, sir, can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like a double cheeseburger with fries.
You are on our property. I'm going to ask you to step back to your vehicle.
Tim, you don't have no authority out here, man.
Don't!
You don't.
I do.
You may think you do, but you don't. I'm on public property.
You're on the right-of-way of Malakoff's right-of-way.
It's a right-of-way. Thank
Right.
you.
That
Thank
doesn't
you
mean
for
that you
stating
don't-
that. Thank you for stating that, Tim. Don't touch his equipment.
Don't! If you don't start listening to me, I'll touch anything
We ain't
I
gotta
wanna
listen
touch.
to you, Tim. You don't have no authority out here. I don't want you to have a heart attack, Tim.
Just shut your mouth.
You can't, maybe. You ain't my daddy. If you'd have got me that cheeseburger, this would all be over. Him, dude. He's a high head dude. He didn't have no business coming out here barking orders.
They don't call him a tyrant hunter for no reason. I mean, Jeff is as serious about exercising his freedom as he is telling off those who would violate his freedom.
Can't hear nothing you saying, man. What?
Is there any particular reason you guys are taking photos?
Who are you?
Plant? I'm security.
Security.
Yes.
You got a name?
You have a name? I don't
Yeah,
reason why I take
everybody's
photos.
got names, right?
Yeah, well, why you got to take a photo?
Why not?
Basically because they can sue you.
They can sue me.
Yeah.
Really?
And yeah, because
Whoa, that's not good.
yeah. So exactly why you guys taking photos?
Feels like the right thing to do.
You gotta have a better reason than that.
But what can I tell you, man?
So what are you interested in this place?
Doing a story on it.
What story?
We investigative journalists.
And what's your names?
I can't divulge that right now.
Then how I know you're doing the story?
You don't? I know you security. You ain't show me no badge and no name tag or nothing. Oh, I can buy that.
Yeah, and I can buy the fact that you guys probably aren't. So you don't have any names at all?
Not that I'd want to give to you.
Well, I got one thing for you. I can call the plant manager, and which means you guys basically had 3 minutes before the cops called.
Hey, do what you gotta do, baby. I got something for you. That right there.
I don't care about that.
I don't care about you calling the cops.
Okay.
See you, Chief. You got one thing for me.
Yes, sir, can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like a double cheeseburger with fries.
I need you to move.
You asked if you could help me. I'm telling you, you can help me.
We're going to serve cheeseburgers.
Well, how else can you help me?
Let me ask you this, sir.
How else can you help me though? You asked me if you could help me, right?
And you said you wanted a cheeseburger. I
Right.
said we don't
What
serve
what
cheese.
else can you help me with?
I can ask you to give directions to go down the road.
Really?
Yeah.
You can ask all day.
What do you need here, sir?
I'm doing what I need to do.
What is that?
I don't need to tell you that. Who are you anyway?
This is Tim. Can I
Tim.
call
What's
you
up,
back?
Tim?
Can I call you back? We'll see what Raleigh.
You
PD
got authority out here, Tim?
Yes, I do. We'll
Look,
call Raleigh PD.
hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, baby. How much you wanna bet they won't make me leave? Huh? Tim thinks he secures the side of the road. I'm still gonna need that cheeseburger and a large drink.
You can't find that here, sir. Yeah, step back that way.
You approached
You're
me.
on our property now.
You approached me.
You are on our property. I'm going to ask you to step back to your vehicle. You are on Malakoff property. You're not authorized to be on the property. You are on Malakoff's property
Okay.
right now. I need you
wanna-
to step back to your vehicle.
You want to double down on that?
Yeah, I know where the right-of-way lines are.
I know where it's at too. I have no authority out here, Tim.
And do you?
I don't need authority. I'm not trying to boss people around. You are.
That's right, because you're on our property.
No, I just told you I was not. You see that fire hydrant?
That person is on our property.
I kind of doubt that.
I know exactly where it is.
There's a telephone pole right there too, so I can go in where that damn
No, you
pile is.
cannot.
Oh yeah. Tim, you don't have no authority out here, man. You don't.
I do.
You may think you do, but you don't.
And
you have no authority.
No authority to be here.
How you figure? I'm a member of the public. I'm on public property.
You're on the right-of-way of Mallinckrodt's right-of-way.
It's a right-of-way. Thank
Right.
you.
That
Thank
doesn't
you
mean
for
that you
stating
don't-
that. Thank you for stating that, Tim.
I need you to step on the other side of that, sir. I need you to step on the other side.
Don't
of that.
touch his equipment.
If you don't start listening to me, I'll touch anything.
We ain't
I
gotta
wanna
listen
touch.
to you, Tim. You don't have no authority out here. It's all right, man. Calm down. You're shaking. I don't want you to have a heart attack.
Yes, I have.
See those telephone
Sir, would you
poles?
please leave?
I'm on public property, Tim.
He's not on public property,
State
man.
property.
It's on state-owned property. You can't make me leave.
He drove up.
If
and
you go
parked
in
his
outside that
vehicle.
gate right there, you can do something about that.
See the telephone boxes and
Yeah, I got it.
They will not. They will not. He's got a beard, some kind of headband.
I'm handsome. Tell him I'm a handsome, strapping
face
yet.
mask on either one of them.
For some reason, many Americans have a serious misunderstanding of the difference between public and private property. And Jeff's quick-witted Southern style brings them to their proverbial knees.
How you like Tim getting all up in your face?
Okay.
You're not even gonna look at it, are you?
I don't. I
Because
know
you know
where it
you're
is.
wrong.
I'm not
You
wrong.
can't tell us what to do out here,
It's not,
Tim.
it's not the property line, Captain. It's the right-of-way.
I
And
know.
the right-of-way is for the highway. The right-of-way is for the highway. The right-of-way is not for your public access.
It's not?
No, it's not.
Oh, wow.
It's not.
Okay.
Look it up.
Okay.
Look it up.
Okay, when PD
So
gets
I'm
here,
asking you to leave.
when PD gets here, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Public property.
You are not on the right-of-way. It's not public
How
property.
you figure that, Bo?
It's the right-of-way. Understand what a right-of-way is.
I know exactly what it is, Tim.
What is the right-of-way?
You don't understand
What is the right-of-way?
that I can walk on any
Define-
right of way in North Carolina.
Not ask. Define what a right-of-way
Did
is.
you hear what I said?
look, see it? It says right away.
Did you hear what I said?
Okay. What is a right-of-way?
It's where public can go.
Okay.
The state property.
It's the state. Are you with the state? No, you
We
haven't.
part of the state.
You haven't identified yourself. That's
We
bullshit.
don't have to. My name's Nunya.
Just let
Okay,
the 360
I will fill out no trespassing papers on you guys.
Yeah, if we go on your property, go right ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna have before the officer leaves. I will have no trespass. And
Okay.
if I see you
Okay.
stopped anywhere on this right of way,
I will
have
will
your-
come here every day for the next month
Oh yeah.
and dare you to do something about it.
Okay, you'll be arrested.
No, how?
Because
It's not
you're-
your property. You ain't got no authority out here, Tim. You know that.
You need to take the rest of
Okay.
the day off.
Yeah, he's shaking. Fucking gonna have a heart attack, dude. I don't want you to have a heart attack, Tim.
Just shut your mouth.
Well, you can't make me. You ain't my daddy. My daddy's dead. I listen to one
Yeah.
man. That's the one upstairs. You ain't shit to me, Tim. Don't come out here and bark orders.
That's right. That's what I do.
Well, you're doing it the wrong place.
No, you're doing it the wrong place when you pulled up here.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay. Well, you'll learn something today.
I will. And so will you.
Yeah. You gonna teach me, Tim?
No, I ain't gonna teach you shit because you ain't teachable.
Yeah. You think this is the first time we did this?
Don't know.
This
I
ain't the
don't know.
first. This
I
ain't the
don't
first time.
Why didn't y'all put the fence?
This ain't the first time.
But there's a reason I did. We had a fence out here and I took it back. Because that's my reason.
Cause you don't own it. That's why.
Yeah, the state made it.
Right?
You don't know.
You'll be educated.
If you'd have got me that cheeseburger, this would all be over.
I told you the directions for the cheeseburger.
I'm not at McDonald's.
Do y'all have
And we
Or
don't
Burger
serve
King.
cheeseburgers here.
Okay, then you can't help me.
That's right, so move the fuck on.
I'm fine. Right
Move
where
the fuck on.
I'm fine. Right here, Tim.
Yeah?
Yep. Here they are. Here they come. Right here. See them across the street there. What? Who are you? You don't mean nothing out here, buddy. No, you don't. No, you don't. You ain't my daddy. He ain't my daddy, y'all. You hear him trying to tell me what to do? He said, y'all need to get out of here. He ain't my daddy. You see where we at, right? I mean, we're right here on the damn side of the road. Tim come out all hot-headed. Fucking act like he was Billy Badass.
Hey, sir, how you doing?
What's up, Chief?
What's going on?
What do you mean?
What you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Just hanging out here?
Yep, pretty much.
Where you from?
That don't matter, man. You're not gonna get nothing out of me, all right? Tim's a hothead. Got all up in her face, acting like he's Billy Badass.
If y'all want to go over to the station, I'll talk.
Yeah, Tim, I told you it ain't gonna do no good.
Hey,
Him, dude. He's a hothead dude. He done had no business coming out here barking orders.
you understand what they make here, right?
You know what? It's no concern of mine, dude. It really ain't. We come out here to make it clear that we can come out here and film on this right away.
Okay.
That's what we do. And I didn't get your name. What is that?
That's Tally.
Tally Jr.?
Yep.
You got a badge number? Y'all don't have badge number, do you?
We do have badge number.
Can I get that?
3710.
3710?
Yes.
All right.
So here's the deal, though. Can we talk off the record or no?
No, it's like everything's on the record with me, baby. If you're gonna talk to me even cordially.
Well, there's things I would say that I wouldn't say on the camera.
Okay, well, I don't understand why, but that's fine.
Because of some of the security issues with their facility.
I get it, man, but they don't have nothing to do. I'm out here. I'm not on their property. You know this, man.
Here's what I'm explaining to you though. Because I'm gonna call and make sure with our attorney, but I'm pretty sure some of their right of way starts probably where the telephone pole lines are, not at the block.
Okay, but the telephone pole's right against it, man. Look, down through there.
Look, we've gone through this stuff with you guys before. I'm
I
not
got
gonna
you.
argue with you about it.
I'm not. Right.
So ultimately, that's what we're going to look. And then as far as where your vehicle is parked,
I'm listening.
we may address that. Now, if that means you got to move it over the sheets,
Hey, whatever,
then
man.
that's fine.
Yep.
So
It should be good right there. There's no parking signs anywhere.
so let me
It's
make-
not an interstate. You know what I mean? So I've dealt with that before too.
Okay. So I'm going to make some phone calls.
Right on. That's good. Thank you for checking up on
All
stuff.
I'm going to ask at this point, until I verify it, not to cross past the power line poles. Is that fine?
But I really ain't never crossed it to start with. So I don't have a problem with that.
So
I really don't.
as long as we don't cross the power poles, we'll go from that. As long as you aren't getting in the way of the tractor trailers, leave them on.
No, I ain't done none of that, man. It's all recorded, you know.
Please stand off the pavement.
I'm good, man. I'm grown.
All right.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You may be grown, but that's one of the things that our attorneys could say. Hey, listen, if you're on the pavement, that could be in the roadway.
Something you should know. The authoritarian-minded have a deep longing to issue some kind of directive. Any kind of directive. It's almost like their lives aren't complete unless they're able to tell somebody what to do or where to go. It seems to me, and I could be wrong here, a universal principle. If you're a cop, you're an authoritarian. And authoritarians crave control over others in any kind of form they're able to get it.
But
that make sense?
I gotta have somewhere to walk, so they can't tell me I can't walk across here. There's no way.
No, but to an extent that if you're standing impeding the flow of traffic by standing, they
Well,
could
if I'm
say
in
that.
the middle, sure.
If you're right here and I'm driving tractor trailers and I've got to make a wide turn, which is why
When I see a tractor trailer dude, I get my big ass out the way. You hear what I'm saying?
So, same thing for him. Don't cross the power line pole.
Hell, we gonna do exactly what we was doing before you got here. I can't hear you.
That's a map.
I know.
Did I tell y'all there were property markers out here?
We know where the property is at.
See them right there?
Yeah, there's a blue one right beside the fire hydrant.
And then there's
So,
see 'em
because like I
right
said,
up.
when I checked the map, like you said, on a foot out.
I got you, baby. We already knew that before we come out here. You know?
Y'all know we're set up, so that's what I want to make sure.
Right on.
I will ask a favor. One
Oh, favors.
favor. Yes. Need to pull your truck up just a little bit.
We'll probably leave as soon as you do.
I don't care what you do.
I'm just saying.
If you come back out pull your truck up a little bit, that way the tractor trailer don't hit it, or
Yeah,
park at sheets and then walk across. I don't care about
And the
that.
only reason I don't, because I'm handicapped. I can't walk that damn far. That's a long ways.
I just know I got my
I got you. I got you, baby.
I just got to laugh at Jeff's masterful handling of this cop and really cops in general. This Blue Line gang member seems like he's coming off as cool, but he's really trying desperately to slyly get Jeff to do something. Anything. And Jeff saying, I got you, baby.
I got you, babe.
I got you, baby.
I got you, babe.
Is a great way to strip a cop of their illegitimate power and put them in their place in a humorous way.
I got you, baby. I got you, babe.
I got you. Yep. We won't be here much longer.
And this is
Main objective.
what it's auditing stuff, correct?
Yes, we do auditing. We test the Constitution.
Okay.
I
I know y'all have talked with our other officers, but I thought it was kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Like,
And we make sure, like this pharmaceutical right here, we make sure that they know where their boundaries are, not to come out here and bother us.
okay.
So it's for educational purposes, for y'all and for them,
Yeah.
right? Because I'm sure you you learned a little bit about it last time you seen one. I know he knows now. He might still do the same damn thing,
He probably will.
but he knows now he can't make nobody move. You know what I mean? And you can't. As long as I'm not breaking the law and I'm not in the road, you know what I'm saying?
Like I said, I want to make sure. And they said initially that y'all had come past the block, and I was like, we're not. We're out here now. I'm not worried.
No, we never went past that light pole.
I'll leave the link to NC Tyrant Hunter and his other channel. Jeff is here live in the comments section below. If you visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. And if you like these commentary videos, maybe you'll like some of my others.
I got you, baby. I got you, baby.
Check out my most popular videos playlist because there's probably something on there that you missed. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description, or grab a hard-hitting conversation starting shirt, or become a channel member. But whatever you do, make sure you know what your rights are and make sure you exercise your rights. Because hey, if we don't exercise our rights, we're going to lose them. I'll see you in the next video.